Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I have for you a review of 6 beautiful cream gel polishes from Aifaifa. Here's the set right here. They come nicely packaged in this box so they don't go anywhere during shipping. And these are the beautiful bottles. I am going to go ahead and show you the labels of these colors as I pop them out, open the bottles, and you can take a closer look at the colors, and then I am going to swatch them for you. But I do have a surprise giveaway for you guys. Now, before I share the details on the giveaway, I do want to promote Aifaifa's promotion. They currently have this set of polishes for 30% off on Amazon, and it expires on the 21st, which is why I wanted to go ahead and get this out for you. So check out the link down below in the description bar below. It goes straight to the Amazon offer where these are listed with a 30% off that I believe it is applied at your checkout. Now for the giveaway, let me go ahead and give you the details. The giveaway is going to be 3 sets of these color gels, these beautiful color gels. I am going to have 3 winners. I am going to go ahead and select the winners myself at random. I'm not, when I do the announcement, I'm not going to show the random selection or go through that. I'm just going to do a quick announcement because of the time's sake, and being that it's for Christmas is around the corner. And I am also putting an expiration date of this giveaway. I'm going to close it on Monday. Let me open my calendar, the 23rd. I'm closing this on the 23rd, so you guys have to be quick with your entries. And the only thing that you have to do is you must like this video and be a subscriber of my channel, obviously, NAQ57. So very simple. Leave me a comment down below that you enter and you like, and you are a subscriber. You must be a public subscriber, obviously. And let me add, guys, that this is only open to the US, so not international. Sorry about that. So that is it. Very simple, guys. Remember, 3 winners, 3 random winners for these beautiful set of gel polishes, and I close it on, it's going to close on Monday the 23rd. I will do the announcement. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.